Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Millie, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing of this brand new item. So I received this wonderful product from Shuttle Art, and I cannot wait to show you guys. It is so well packaged. It's so gorgeous. So these are the acrylic paint markers from Shuttle Art. This is such a beautiful packaging. It's completely covered in plastic so that you know it's brand new and ready for you to use. Upon opening this package, you will see just how beautiful everything is. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It says Shuttle Art, and you have a beautiful black matte envelope, and it's just gorgeous with the gold lettering. I just love the packaging. It's so professional. And when you open it up, you do have your manual, and it does give you a lot of other little extras. So as you can see, it shows you how to use the markers, and they give you 2 pieces of watercolor paper where you can draw and color to practice, and also a color swatch sheet in white and in black. So you do get these along with your purchase. Later on in the video, we will be testing out these markers, so definitely stay tuned. But for right now, let's get into the markers and see what this is all about. Okay, so first off, these markers come in a beautiful, clear carrying case, so you can see exactly what you have in front of you. It's completely clear all around, so you can see each color and you can see the number of the colors. It's such a beautiful packaging. You can just hold it at the top of the handle, and you're able to easily open each layer of the package. That way you can access each layer of the markers. All right, so this is the first layer of markers. I'll show you a close-up, and you can see how vibrant these colors are. Super gorgeous, super pigmented, but we're gonna test them out and see if they really are. So just wait for that later on in the video. Okay, so now let's see the second layer. We have a little bit of darker colors. Don't touch anything. And the last layer of this carrying case, you can see that even more darker. And you of course have your white and black colors, your browns. So this is what all comes in the package. And I can actually tell you, like, these colors are super pretty in person. Very, very, very beautiful. And even though I'm not like an artiste and I don't typically use paint markers all the time, these colors make me want to use them. So that tells you something. So I would say that the carrying case is very nice. I think it's a little tricky for me to unhook it and hook it, so you can see me kind of struggling a little bit. But let's take a look at these markers. Look how beautiful. You know I love pink. So look at this gorgeous pink color. It is super pretty. And of course, if you want to activate it, you definitely shake them first. If you see the colors not coming through, and you use it. So what I'm going to do now in the video is just kind of show you a little bit of some of the markers. And then what we're going to do is test them out on the swatch sheet that they gave us. Once again, these colors are super pretty. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up of what the tips look like. And of course, these are the instructions, and it tells you what you can use these paint markers for. All right, so I'm going to be testing each color on the white and the black swatch sheet, and you can see the difference between each color. I'm going to be speeding up this part of the video, but it still does take a lot of time to test all of them. So I will be cutting halfway through so I don't bore you with each and every single color. So I want to know in the comments below, what do you think of the colors, the vibrancy of these markers compared to other markers that you've used? Like I said before, I'm not a painter or an artist that really uses these types of markers often. But if you are, let me know, what do you think about the quality of these markers? I absolutely love how these colors pop on the white paper compared to the black paper. But now I'm just going to test out how they color and draw using the little watercolor paper that they came with. And like I said before, don't judge me. I'm not an artist, so I might be doing everything all wrong compared to how an artist would do their work. But I think they're fun to use. I mean, even as a beginner like me, I absolutely loved using them. I thought the color was gorgeous. And as you can see, while I was using them, I didn't have to shake it that much, even though they were, just brought to me, just sent to me. So that kind of shows you that there's a lot of ink in there and it's ready to go upon purchasing, which is nice. One of the things I would have to say I didn't like was the case that it came with. It's beautiful and it's wonderful because it's see-through and you can see all the colors right there. But the thing I didn't like about it is that taking off the layers is a little bit tricky. Sometimes if you don't lock it in correctly, you can't hold it without it falling, like all the markers falling out. So you have to be careful of how you're locking it in. Other than that, I think this is a great product. It would make a great gift for the holidays. That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.